You're listening to NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness. Today is Monday morning, March 2nd, 2026. Real stories, AI voice, details at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's dive in.
Rejuvience Med Spa Scottsdale launches non-surgical age repair trifecta for mature skin, 50 plus. Rejuvience Med Spa Scottsdale has unveiled the Age Repair Trifecta, a non-surgical skin rejuvenation treatment tailored for individuals aged 50 and above. This innovative protocol combines Tixel non-surgical eye lift, Procell Microchanneling, and AnteAGE P.E.A.R.L to effectively address signs of aging like eyelid hooding, under eye bags, and sun damage with minimal downtime. Ideal for busy professionals, this treatment offers visible results in one session without sacrificing work or social commitments.
Oh, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news. Let's go for a moment. What does this mean for you today?